Today, we flipped the shifter to GP shift. GP or race shift is when you change your shifting habits from 1 down and 2 through 6 up to 1 up and 2 through 6 down. This helps in left-hand turns when you're leaned way over and you can't reach your foot outside to get underneath that shifter to come up a gear. Then all you have to do is just pop down on the top, grab another gear, and exit that corner. I also see a benefit when coming down a straight in a full tuck. I don't have to move my foot at all. All I have to do is just press down to add more gears and gain more speed. And then when I come into the braking zone and stand up, all I'll have to do is reach around and upshift a few times to get the bike into the proper gear, adjust my foot, and tip in. This seems like, well, a better option in my opinion. And for you 990 RCR owners, this is a really easy job. And let me show you how to do it. Start by removing the 6 bolts that hold this black piece on. All right, once all 6 are out, you've got a few tabs that you need to pull underneath, boop, and there you go. All right, so now that we've got this exposed, right down here is the actual shifter linkage. And all we're doing is taking this from this frontage location to the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and use a T30 and loosen this, and we're just gonna swing it out back. Boop. So for some reason, my little bolt isn't coming out. So I'm gonna put just a hint of blue Loctite on the back there, and into this rear position. So that is there. All right. Should be good. Just to give you a little bit more in depth of a walkthrough, I did not change this pivot position up here. I left it exactly where it was, and I just shifted the lower one from the front pivot position to this rear pivot position. And honestly, with these pegs in the more aggressive higher up track mode or just more aggressive mode, that looks pretty darn good. So I may do some changes in the future, see how it fits my foot and where I like it. But honestly, that was pretty darn easy. Now we just gotta test it. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start the bike. It's gonna be pretty loud. Oh, we're already in second. That's not good. Remember, I gotta go up to neutral. There we go. That's new. All right. Look at that. Isn't that fancy? So now you go up for first, down for second, for third, for fourth, for fifth, and then I have to come all the way back up. Wow. All right, so now all I have to do is put it all back together. And well, I can't test it just yet. I'll test it the first track day that I have this thing out. But I have a feeling this is gonna be hard to get used to, at least mentally. I like the whole setup idea. This was extremely easy just to shift this over, but I have to remember up is first and down is to go up. And I might screw that up the first track day because I've never had a bike with GP shift or the capabilities before. But thank you for watching. I hope you learned something, and I hope if you own an RCR that you can do this at home pretty easily like I did. And let me know your feedback. And for anybody with GP shift, let me know if there's any tips for learning or using or just how you like to use your GP shift in different areas of the track. So with that, remember to keep riding.